Hey there! Welcome to your Bravo training. Today, I'll show you how to open your store using Bravo. Understanding the opening and closing procedures is key for accurate reporting. Let's get started. Starting from Bravo's dashboard, navigate to the side panel menu. Look for the Open Store option and click on it. This will take you to the Open Store screen. You can configure it for a blind count, which shows no expected figures, an open count that shows everything, or a blind cash count that displays everything except cash-related figures. This drawer currently has a zero balance since it's your first time opening, but in the future, it will show your previous day's ending balance here unless you have a blind count turned on. Simply click Save. When you click Save, it will print a receipt automatically returning you to the dashboard. Now, let's bring some money into your store. From the dashboard, navigate to the same side panel. This time, click on Transfer Tender. This action opens our Transfer Tender screen. The source is where the money is coming from, and in this case, we'll choose from the bank. The destination indicates where money is going. With the main drawer configuration, there will only be one option. Super simple, huh? Let's add the total amount of cash we're bringing in and click Save. That's it. You successfully opened your store, transferred money to your safe. Now you're ready to perform transactions. If you have any questions, remember Judy is one click away, or you can give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.